Day trading live this morning. It's Friday, and you know Fridays can be tough. Fridays can be hard. I've always had bad luck on Fridays. Maybe I just have bad luck in general. But today, having some good luck. After yesterday's debacle, it was time to just come back, to focus, to really look for some quality entries, look for some quality moves, take profit, and not be stubborn, not be greedy, not try to make back all the money that I lost yesterday, because that's probably the worst way to trade. Thinking about what I lost yesterday and being like, okay, I got to have a home run. I need a home run, get back all the money that I lost yesterday. Usually what happens when you trade like that is you end up losing more money. So today I was really just focused on, trading with a little bit smaller size, being a little bit more cautious, and really just looking for the right opportunity, and then just kind of capitalizing on that and focusing. I got some really good entries, I feel like, but overall I didn't really capitalize on the actual move all the way, but still ending up green on the day. And it's Friday. I'm going to go golfing. I'm going to go on the boat, do something fun now. It's 10 o'clock. I'm done for the day. So let's get into the action right now. So jumping in here on SLS this morning, looking for this thing to rip up there to the high day one more time up to the 670s. Having some trouble here. 650, showing some support there. The 640s. I've been kind of in and out there at 650 a couple times now. It was really walking up. It was looking beautiful here. Boom, 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 walking up. And then got up here, found some sellers, and just not been, it's having trouble there. 650 area, just not getting the volume that it needs to get moving, I guess, above those sellers. So that's kind of what's holding it down right now. So let's see if we can get this moving higher. Get above that high of day there, 670. There's next resistance really isn't up until 680 area. So I think we get above 670, might get a push to 680. Bit of a spread right now, 10-cent spread. Only got 500 shares, playing it small. It's pre-market. It's just nice and easy this morning. Just playing it nice and easy today. That's the plan. It's going to take it nice and easy. Got the VWAP down there at 630. 630 will be my last stop on this at open. If this can't hold the VWAP. It's got the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA right there. 20 EMA there at 640. The VWAP there at 630. So that's the game plan. I'd like to see this push above the pre-market high there, 670 at open. And then see if we can't get pushed up there towards $7. That's a little push to 670 there. Big buyer there, 670. Pushing up here. Market's about to open here in 30 seconds. So let's see if we can get going here. Get a crazy move here this morning. Come on, baby. Let's go. 680s. 680s. Wait for us to hold 650. There we go. Let's see if they can push all the way to $7 here. I think we can do it. Push above 680 here. There's that resistance there, 689. All right, looking for a $7 break here. Push a little bit. I think we can go all the way above 7 here. Come on, 695. I'm going to take it right there, 680. Just not pushing all the way. Look for another opportunity for this in a minute. $137, start the day off. I was really hoping we could just squeeze up there and get above that $7 area. That $7 area holding it down there. You can see it's really kind of just was ripping, and then started to slow down there. So SLS up to that VWAP there, getting stuck right now. Kind of a similar setup to yesterday with VKTX. Let's see if this can break above this 650 area, find some support. We might get that test of high of day, get a little squeeze going on here. We'll see. JAGX, just up there to 320, pulling back down there to 210 now. Wow. Up, down. Got to be careful with these things. All right, so there, SLS getting stuck there at that 640 area. Now that would have been a good short entry. Seeing that it got stuck there, where yesterday with VKTX, it popped above the VWAP and then started to move up. So that's kind of the telltale sign there. Got CODX over here. All right. Quick little hit, little scalp there. Breaking over the high of day there, making $77 there on CODX, in and out. Was hoping for just a boom, 680, 690s right up there, just to start ripping. But you can see it kind of slow down there at the 383. It might want to go. I was really hoping for more of a pullback. I was looking for that 360 area. Would have been a nice little pullback to get in. Not sure. So that 360 area would have been a nice little pullback to get in on, but just wasn't giving it to me. So you can see this high of day breaking out over that. You know, normally over high of day break like that, we'll get a little bit of a squeeze, and that's what I was looking for. Looking for that. Oh, there she goes. Up there to 385. Is it going to hit 385 now? So SLS breaking down. So this is the exact pattern. This is the pattern. Oh, this is VKTX all over again, but not really, kind of. Sort of. It's like the VKTX. So yesterday, you know, VKTX, this is what I was looking for. You see how this got stuck there? The VWAP there at that, I can't even pull this line out. Pull the line down. So this got stuck there at the 640 area where that VWAP and everything was, and then it rolled off. And that's exactly what I was looking for yesterday on VKTX. But what happened is, you know, it spiked above the VWAP, and that should have really been the sign to me being like, okay, nah, it's not good. It's not good. It's spiking above the VWAP. It's showing strength. So that should have been the red flag for me yesterday. But you can see how this does work out. You know, this idea of, you know, okay, we get the support bounce. It bounces back up there, 640s. Okay, I'm going to short there at the VWAP, at the EMAs and all that. And look at that drop down there below $6. So, I mean, that's a 40-cent drop. And, you know, it's kind of how it could have been. I know it's coulda, shoulda, woulda. I sit here all day long thinking about playing like that. But see VKTX today. Dropping from 11.11. Dropping from 11.10 down there below $10 at open. I thought about shorting this. I really did. I had it pulled up on another chart, and I thought about shorting it, but I told myself I'm not going to play with fire. I'm not going to play with fire today. It's Friday. I don't want to go into the weekend playing with fire. But look at that. Beautiful drop there on VKTX down there below $10 now. Look at that. VKTX is getting crushed today. Getting crushed from 11.18 down there to 9.74 now. I was a day early. I was a day early on the short. Oh, it's painful. It's not really. I mean, is it painful? It's whatever. It is what it is. CODX up there to 9. CODX up there to the $4 area now. Is it gonna break? There it is, breaking over 4 here. Let me look for a little bit of a pullback. Look at the daily chart here on CODX. Really, the next resistance isn't until 470 area. Still think we can get a little bit of pullback here. Wow, CODX up there to 420 now. All right, jumping in there at $4. Looking for this support to hold here. Push back up there to the high of day. Some there at $4, 410. There's a push above 410 here. Like there's a push. There we go, 413. Just like that, baby. All right, I'll take it. $400, $242 there on CODX, $137 there on SLS. Ho ho! We're back, baby. We're way back. We're far from back, but it's Friday. Honestly, it's Friday and I'm happy that I'm green. Kind of bummed because I was watching this closely there at the 372 area, thinking about buying the dip. And I think really, you know, once this kind of broke out of this downward trend, that's really the buy right there. That 380 would have been a nice little buy right there. Up to 415. Is it going to push there? She's going 415. There it is, 415, 418. Oh, new high of day. Beautiful. CODX up there to 425 now. It's 470 now. Oh, CODX, you crazy. You crazy, girl. You crazy. Oh, there it is. Nice little trades here on CODX. Really was hoping. Oh, man. She's going all the way, boys. 505 now. 518, 524. It's going to get halted soon. Boom. Big old halt there on CODX there at 545. Jumping in here one more time on CODX. Let's see if we can push up that $6 area. Come on, baby. Push. 680s. Come on, 680s. I'm going to take it right there. 673. Just to lock it down. Not bad. Just wanted one more little scalp. Just one more little scalp. Only did 500 shares that time. So that's going to put us up over $450 on the day. And that's all we need right there. We just make $400 every day. It'll be easy. This will all be so easy just to make $400 every single day. And I can retire on a private island somewhere. Just somewhere out there in the world I can retire and live a happy life. But you can see this move here. Look at this move. Overall, just beautiful trend here. Beautiful trend. And I was actually trying. We got this halt, so we got up here to the 550. It pulled back. I put a couple of orders out trying to get filled there at the 475 area. I was thinking 475 might hold there. And look at this. It got down there to 480. It did not go any lower, so that would have been just beautiful. Get that dip down there to 475. One more spike up there above $5. But I was thinking we might consolidate across here. You can see that consolidation there. There at the 555 area going sideways. And I was thinking, okay, this might be, we might get here. We might get that push above $6. But you can see having some trouble there. It's still holding the trend, so it might still go. But it's going to be a little more iffy here. You know, this thing's already ran up so much today. It's up over, you know, almost 100% on the day. Like I said in a lot of these videos, you know, you get this first big push. It's nice. You get the second push. It's great. And then you start getting on the third push. It starts getting a little bit more choppier. And now you're on the fourth push here. So if this doesn't break, there's a good chance that this can just crack really hard here and go lower. So that's why I kind of was just like, all right, if we jump in here, I'm either going to cut my loss really quickly or I'm going to basically look for the first little push. If it doesn't really go to where I want it to, I'm going to take a profit and then just be done for the day and walk away. So I'm definitely done for the day now. It's 10:30, making $450 a day. Can't complain about that. All I need is really, you know, 3 or 4 days like this, and we'll make back that $2,000, no problem. So that's really what it comes down to. And there's that crack. That's what I was talking about, how, you know, we had that big leg. We had this first leg. Okay, boom, boom, boom. The second leg, nice and strong. It's getting strong. And then, you know, we got halted. Okay, now people are getting worried. People are taking profit from earlier. And now, you know, this fourth area is going to be a lot more difficult and a lot harder for people to really get that push, because you're going to have people who are taking profit. You're going to have people who are just chasing it, who are getting out much quicker with stop losses. And you just have it. It's a lot more crowded up here in this area. You know, in this area, people were just buying the dip. They're just kind of looking for this to move. Then you got the guys who are buying here, breaking, you know, above that $4. They're buying. And now you get all the people chasing. It gets halted. And now, all right, people are taking profit. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, you get the ideas. You guys know. But look at that drop. Wow. From 580 down there to 480. That's exactly what I was worried about. That's why I went in with small size. That's why I took profit quickly. Because if it wasn't going to push, I was worried that this might happen right here. And that's exactly what happened. So that's what it really comes down to. It's about being able to look at the chart and understand, like, okay, you know, we've had a nice move here. This is pretty good. Okay, now we're getting crazy. We're getting really crazy. We're getting halted. Now we're boom, 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 all around volatile. And you just got to be quick to take profit when you start to see, you know, these things go up too much. When they're up 100%, you got to be smart. You got to take profit, and you got to know when it's time to call it. So there it is. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to go golfing. Maybe I'll go on the boat. I don't know. I got to figure it out. We'll see. We'll see what the weather's like. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys